press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
A journey of 2 years, so I, as Kalyani, have experienced a lot, seen a lot of shades. I have seen my character, graph grow. And Kalyani का, सबसे ज़्यादा interesting और सबसे exciting part ये था that जब मुझे story narrate की गई थी तो वो एक 17 साल की लड़की से लेकर उस 19 साल के लड़की तक की story narrate की थी, जो एक typical teenager से एक ऐसी लड़की बन जाती है जिसपे एक माँ, एक पति और एक बच्चे की जिम्मेदारी आ जाती है. So it was very exciting to it was something that I was looking forward to because I knew कि इस character में मैं बहुत shades add कर पाऊंगी, right from being a kid to this girl who doesn't know anything about marriage, who doesn't know anything about handling a kid, is given a responsibility of a man and a kid, a girl who lost her mother, उसको एक नई माँ मिल जाती है जिसको वो माँ मानने लगती है. So I always knew that Kalyani is gonna be a character which will go through a lot of shades, and it was very exciting for me as an actor. Kalyani is someone जो हर situation पे अलग react करती है. Like, अगर घर में सब normal चल रहा है, she will be this kid who is playing with the kid, who's crawling with the kid. But then cut to in the next scene, Kalyani is fighting for the same kid, saying कि मेरे होते हुए मेरे बच्चे को कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. So the one thing that makes me really happy is that कि एक कल्याणी के लाइफ में वक्त आता है जब वो बहुत इमोशनली टूट कर ना किसी को अपने दिल की बात बोलती है. वो मोस्टली उसकी माँ ही होती है, पर वो दिल से टूटकर अपने दिल की बात बोलती है अपनी माँ को. And I think मुझे वो scenes करने बहुत मजा आता है. The scenes which I have with Purva Di, Anupriya, who's playing my mother, where we both are emotional and I am crying my heart to her. It makes me feel satisfied because तब मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपने सारे emotions portray कर सकती हूँ, because emotional scenes are something जहाँ पे when you're emotional, you are angry, you are upset, you are frustrated at the same time. So it consumes a lot from you. And for me to put that energy in front, it makes me feel satisfied. Most challenging scene, I think, I have always been very excited about all the scenes, all the sequences that come up. And I love challenges. I love challenging scenes because मुझे याद है मुझे height से डर लगता था, लेकिन फिर भी हम वो इतनी लंबी wall clock पे लटक रहे थे with harness on. मुझे swimming नहीं आती, but मैं actually वर्सोवा बीच के पानी में इधर तक जाकर आई हूँ. मुझे swimming बिल्कुल नहीं आती है, मैंने फिर भी underwater sequence किया. So I think every sequence that we have has been challenging but very exciting at the same time. I think my favorite sequence was the Rosa track that we were doing, the whole Naxalites wala track, because tab, I'm just talking about my favorite track right now, because tab wo ek aisa track tha jahan pe Kalyani was going through a lot of emotions. उसके बच्चे को बचाना था, उसके पति को उससे बचाना था, whereas उसकी माँ की शादी हुई थी, जो शादी उसको अच्छे से जाती हुई दिख नहीं रही थी. फिर उसकी पुरानी जो माँ मर चुकी थी, उसको सडनली शॉक मिला था कि मेरी माँ जिंदा है. तो वो मेरा फेवरेट ट्रैक था. बट उस ट्रैक में एक सीक्वेंस था जहाँ पे मुझे सरदार बन के जाना था.
Yes.
And I am a typical girl. Like, I love, you can see that, I love wearing these chudis.
Yeah.
I'm a typical girl. I like dressing up like a girl. I am very girly. Like, not in a typical, that pout wala and that selfie wala sense. No. But I just like being a girl. और तब मुझे मतलब सरदार बना दिया था with these loose jackets and these loose pants and that turban और हम माइक शूट करते थे, बहुत गर्मी होती थी, so that turban used to give me a headache. I think that was a track जहाँ पे मतलब मैंने genuinely I think पहली बार अपनी क्रिएटिव को जाके बोला होगा कि प्लीज मुझे कुछ और डिस्गाइज लुक दे दो, मुझे ये नहीं करना. I think that was the first time. I'm working with a lot of senior actors. I think I'm blessed and I'm very fortunate to be working with them. Savita Tai, who's very, very senior. Purva Di, she's been doing Marathi, she's been doing theatre for so many years, almost 20 years. I've learned a lot from all of them. Milan Phatak, who plays my Sasur ji in the show, उन्होंने मुझे एक बार एक advice दी थी that I can play with my face. I should start playing with my voice. I should modulate my voice while doing scenes. I genuinely tried doing that. And trust me, it helped. It changed my acting. It changed my portrayal on screen, on television. So yeah, I think I have learned a lot from everybody. मैंने voice modulation सीखा है पूर्वा दी से. Like, I've learned how to act with a poker face because that is something that I really admire. और जब वो वाली acting करती है ना, तो मैं mesmerize हो जाती हूँ उन्हें देख के. She has this one particular poker face जहाँ से वो ऐसे आंखों से emotion देती है ना that she does not need to move her head, her hands, her anything. And Savita Tai, उनसे ज्यादा डिसिप्लिन्ड एक्टर आई थिंक हमारे सेट पे तो है ही नहीं, बट आई थिंक बहुत कम होंगे अभी भी टेलीविजन या कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में उन जैसे डिसिप्लिन एक्टर्स. शी इज सो डिसिप्लिन. उनको एक बार आपको बुलाना पड़ता है कि मैम आपका शॉट रेडी है एंड इन 2 minutes शी विल बी ऑन सेट. She'll come prepared. She does not come on set with her phones. She is not the person who will ask for touch up after every 2 minutes. She's just so disciplined. I think that is something that अगर मैंने उनका 50% discipline सीख लिया ना, I think I will genuinely be remembered as a good actor there.
Nice. And how is Sehban as a co-star? How has your experience been working with him?
Very, very supportive. I think, I feel blessed to have him as my co-actor because he is someone that के, एक understanding हम दोनों में इतनी अच्छी है that हम दोनों अगर वो कुछ ऐड करेंगे, I know how to pick up from that line and to continue and add up something even more to that. And same with me. If I add something, because हम दोनों का क्या है ना, हम दोनों suddenly add कर लेते हैं. Like rehearsal होती है, लेकिन जब take होता है ना, तब हम दोनों कुछ और भी कर लेते हैं. That is for sure. Everybody knows this on set now कि ये दोनों कुछ ना कुछ तो अब add करेंगे. And it's not planned most of the time. So I'm very happy that I have a co-actor who understands me, who understands the way I act, because, it helps. It genuinely helps. No, I've learned from everything. I've learned from every experience. There have been, times that, when I look at myself, I'm like, nahin, it's nothing to regret. Honestly, if you are as positive as I try to be in life, trust me, you will never have any regrets. The turning point in my life, I would say, would be the major break that I had after I did Ashoka, because उसके बाद मुझे लगा था that Ashoka was such a nice running show. इतना अच्छा, like, I had actually kind of come for not that prominent of a role, but it turned out to be really good by the grace of God. So मुझे लगा नहीं, I took it very lightly that time, but then I think after that I realized that no, it's not easy. It genuinely is not easy, and I mean it. So yeah, I think that was a turning point. Those 2 years, I think, were the learning, turning, whatever you want to call it, but those 2 years taught me.